Hey everybody, this is Cooking with TK. Today, you guys, I have prepared a delicious roasted turkey breast in my oven, Cajun style roasted turkey breast for my family. So let's go ahead, you guys, and get into this video. If you're new to the channel, I want you to hit that notification bell. I hope you subscribe, and please leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave comments down below throughout the video. I would love to have everyone's input, okay? Okay, you guys, I have a big 5-pound, almost 6-pound turkey breast that I purchased at Walmart for $9.98, basically $10 turkey breast that I'm about to prepare. If you guys want to see me prepare this Cajun roasted turkey breast, let's get into this video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, you guys, is I'm going to chop up me some celery. You can have it in big size chunks. It doesn't have to be small for our turkey breast. Also, I'm going to chop up one whole onion. That's right, I'm going to peel and chop this onion. I'm not going to make it small chop. I'm just going to cut it up so that it can fit under my turkey breast and fit inside of the cavity. Those are the two vegetables that I'm going to use to roast for my turkey breast. If you have carrots, you want to use it, feel free. Next, we are going to use some paper towel, and we are going to take the moisture off the outside by pat drying the turkey breast with paper towel. That's correct. Make sure you draw all that moisture from the outside of the turkey breast. Even if you're going to deep fry it, put it in your air fryer, just pat drying and get all that moisture out of it. Make sure you have had it sitting out for over an hour, and make sure it's completely thawed before you decide to cook it. Now, I'm going to set my oven to 390 degrees and let it preheat while we go ahead and get ready to start seasoning our turkey breast. Okay, you guys, I have some Creole seasoned injection that I am going to inject inside of the turkey breast, right? So I shook the jar really well. That jar cost me $4 and some change, like $4.45, and it did come with the injector, okay? And the Creole seasoning, that's Zatarain's Creole seasoning. So what we're gonna do is we are going to start to inject our turkey breast. Try to get you at least 5 to 7 pockets on each side of this breast, okay? Because this is 2. This isn't one breast, okay? It's basically the whole baby turkey breast, okay? So you're going to inject it. And as you can see here, while you're adding the Creole seasoning injection marinade, that you're going to see it poof up. You're going to get little pockets here and there, okay? So go ahead and make sure that you inject both sides of the turkey breast and get it in all parts of that breast, because you don't want no dry turkey. You want some turkey that is flavorful and juicy, and that is exactly what injecting your turkey breast will do. And Cajun seasoning is delicious. It doesn't matter what seasoning you use. Just make sure you get at least 5 to 7 pockets on your turkey breast. Okay, so now that we have injected our Cajun seasoning into the turkey breast, we are going to rub that turkey breast around with that Cajun injection seasoning. That's correct, because we want the outside to be just as flavorful as the inside. Now, the leftover part that's left after we season our turkey breast real good, we are going to pour it out. Okay, see, I'm going to rub me some butter and oil first on the outside of the turkey breast. That's right, we're going to rub butter and oil on the outside of the turkey breast. Now we're going to place some Tony Chachar's Creole seasoning on the outside, okay? We are also going to use some onion powder on the outside for our rub. We are going to use some garlic powder on the outside of our rub as well. Okay. Next, I have me some complete seasoning that I am going to rub on the outside. Now, this is optional, but I like the flavor of the complete seasoning. Okay, but make sure you use some Creole seasoning on the outside. I am going to use some black pepper as well. I will not be using salt because of the Cajun injector and the Creole seasoning and all the other seasoning together that we're using will have salt. Now I'm gonna rub me some better than bouillon. That's correct. If you don't have better than bouillon chicken flavor or turkey flavor, go ahead and get you some chicken bouillon or some chicken powder and rub that flavor in as well on the outside of that turkey breast, and rub those seasonings together and rub them in good. As you guys can see that I have done here, that's correct. Make it look good. Rub it on out there so that you can get some magnificent flavor. Okay, now you can see the seasoning on the outside. Make sure you put some paprika on there as well to help with the coloring, because that's what the paprika does. Get your smoked paprika if you haven't. So I'm gonna go ahead and place my celery and my onion under and in that cavity of this turkey breast that I am roasting today, you guys. Whew, this is going to be so delicious. We have a lot of flavor going on here. Okay, make sure that you put those onions and celery underneath the turkey breast. And if you have a turkey breast that's like mine, put it in that cavity. And also we are going to place some garlic. I have some minced garlic that I used. I didn't get to show that on camera, but I did use minced garlic in the cavity as well. I'm using 1 can of chicken broth. It can be Swanson, whatever can you would like to choose, but that can right there was like 55 cents, great value chicken broth. And we're gonna pour that on around our bouillon. Okay, there's my garlic, minced garlic. And I'm gonna place that in the cavity as well to add flavor. You want flavor all in and out, so season that bird up from the inside to the out. Okay, you guys. Now let's move on to covering our turkey breast. That's right, we're gonna cover this turkey breast with some aluminum foil, not completely tight, but leave a little air pocket on the edges, make like a dome. And we're gonna place this in our oven for 2 hours and 30 minutes because of it's 5 pounds, almost 6 pounds. So if you're using between 5 and 7 pound birds, you're gonna cook it between 2 and 3 hours. We're gonna cook ours for 2 hours and 29 minutes, and we'll be back basting it periodically. Okay, so this is our turkey breast after cooking for an hour and 50 minutes. This will be the second time that I decided to baste it. Just check yours to know when to baste your turkey breast. Okay, at this point I am going to take the aluminum foil off and keep it off for a while. Okay, everyone, this is our roasted Cajun turkey breast that I cooked in the oven. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This turkey breast is very seasoned. It tastes very well. And I hope you guys try this recipe. Thanks for tuning in with Cooking with TK. Don't forget to leave comments, like, share, and subscribe.